Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're on the incredible 420 Outrage Boston Whaler. You'll take a look at the bow area. You have some great seating, a natural teak table. With the push of a button, this drops down and fills in to a sun pad up front. You have great seating forward of the console with pop-down armrests and storage built underneath. You also have a large glass screen windshield with no partition, so you have great visibility on this boat. You can obviously see the open array Raymarine radar spinning. Moving towards the helm, we have a great setup of electronics. We have three 15-inch GS screens. As you can see, I have radar on one, fish finder, which is chirp down vision on the center screen, and then your chart plotter on the other. We also ordered this boat with the joystick control, which has skyhook and autopilot built in. This boat has auto trim tabs. It has a anti-theft deterrent system, and it has the new active trim system as well. You do have an upgraded Fusion stereo system on this boat, as well as triple helm seats across. And this boat was ordered with the diesel generator option, the gyro, and helm air. Here we have the large cabin of the 420 Outrage, which is underlit by blue LED lighting under the cushions. You have rod storage on port and starboard side. You have a nice galley to the starboard side with a pull-out fridge. Large screen TV. And to the starboard side, you also have the very nice head compartment with shower, chlorine countertops, tile floor, which is very spacious. You do have a skylight above, let in some natural light, and an iPod or iPad built in on the port side to control everything. Moving back, you have a great seating option here, which has some air conditioning vents that blow on you behind the main helm seat. And then if you're not using this option, it simply folds away. You have a great area behind this helm seat with an electric grill built in, live well, controls for the aft sunshade, wet bar sink, pull-out refrigerator, and great tackle drawers here. This boat was ordered with the optional starboard side pull-out seat, and of course the nice big bench seat aft, which if you're hardcore fishing, you can fold and get out of your way. You have the nice dive ladder that stores underneath it. For power, we ordered this boat with quad 400 Mercury Verados, underwater lights, as well as the new auto flushing system for the motors. This is the 420 Outrage. I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, you can reach me at 910-200-9636.